Tired of waiting for 3D prints to cure? There's a new solution. Rapid thermal curing. Imagine baking a cake, but it's ready in seconds, not hours. That's rapid in-situ thermal curing for 3D printing. Heat is applied as the resin prints, curing each layer instantly. The result? Super strong, heat-resistant parts, made way faster. Rapid prototyping, tougher parts, and less downtime. Print smarter, faster, and stronger with rapid thermal curing. First edition of Popular Engineer Awards on Leadership and Management. Nominations are open now. For more details, visit our website, popularengineer.org. Thanks for watching.